Hello everyone. So in this video we will simply deploy a simple image, that is a Docker image called nginx, using the app runner and ECR registry, that is Elastic Container Registry. So let's get started. So first of all, I'll go to the AWS homepage and I'll search for ECR, that is Elastic Container Registry. It's similar to Docker Hub. So first of all, we'll just get started, and we'll go with the default and just give the name. So I just simply say nginx test and just create a repository. All right, very simple. Okay, so now I will go again to the home page, and first of all, so before we go to the home page, let's first of all pull the Docker image into our local repository, and then we'll push it to the ECR. So just click on this repository and click on this view push command. So you will get all the commands. So first of all, you will require a login. So I'll just go with this and copy and paste. Okay, so now your login is successful. So now go with this all command. So what I will do is um, I'll first test the Docker on the local. So it will automatically pull the image and it will automatically be deployed onto the local Docker. So make sure that you have a Docker installed on your local. I have a Docker desktop, right? So now what I will do is I'll just go to the PowerShell and Docker run 8 rm, and then this is a detach, and then is a port number. So we have a container port that's an 80 or 8080 for the external port, and the name is web, and nginx is the image name. So let's run it. So let's wait for some time. So now let us check first of all using the docker ps command, and it's running up for last 9 seconds, and I'll just simply check localhost 8080, and it's working, right? So now let us try to uh, put into the push into the registry, that ECR registry. So what I will do is docker tag and just get this image name and just copy this from the command which will be given by the AWS itself, and or rather than you can also copy this URL, and what I will do is just paste it. So docker tag, and then you have container ID, and then you have a repository URL. Okay, just a second. I think we should take an image ID. I'm sorry for that. Yeah, this one. I use a container ID rather than, because container ID is a running Docker image, but we need an image IDs. Apologize for the same. Okay, so now it is there. So now let's take the images. So we already have that image available in the local. So now what we can do is Docker push, and we can just copy and paste over here, and it should start pushing into the AWS registry. So the command has finished. So now let's check into the registry and click on this registry, and just you can see now the image is present over there. So now let's go to the app runner. So now let's search for app runner and click on this app runner. Create an app runner service. Okay, you have all the compute cost. It's very simple. It's not a big deal. And just go with the default except for this repository that we have already created an image tag, and click on continue. Go with default one, and it will ask for this use existing service role. So I'll choose the existing service role created previously, or you can rather than create over here, and you will automatically get it. Okay. All right. So now I'll just choose an existing role and click on next. It's very simple to create a role. So I'll just simply say nginx test. I'll just change this port, container port, because container port is an 80 over there for the nginx. And now I'll just click on next, and all looks okay. We are going with the default. Click on create and deploy. So this will take a few minutes, and I'll pause the video for the time. So it's showing successfully deployed. So now let's just click on this URL, and it's running. So it's very simple step without any configuration. We just go on with the default configuration, and we're just changing the port, and our application has been deployed. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.